Standing overhead dumbbell crunches, okay? So this one's a little new. I'm gonna take either 1 or 2 dumbbells. We'll figure this one out. I'll let you guys know. We're just gonna have this up nice and stable. Big, heavy dumbbell. I'm gonna knee right, knee left, knee right, knee left, squeeze, squeeze. And now the key here is, I mean, it's not that hard, right? Until you start throwing some weight up over your head. And I'm gonna remind you, again, anytime you got a dumbbell over your head, core super tight. Don't let them buckle with that lower back. And again, shoulder, back, and down. So it's called stack joint position. This dumbbell is stacked right over my elbow, my wrist, my shoulder, my hips, and my knees and my feet. Everything is a straight line to the center of the earth, all the way up to the sky. So you have that up there, heavy dumbbell. Knees, it's basically just standing knees with a heavy dumbbell over your head. And you guys are gonna see this in the workout soon. They work very effectively.